What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Justin Hawk Smith channel. Today's video is going to be a quick one, and it's going to be for all of you 2005 through 2007 F-250 owners. I'm pretty sure that that's when the dash changed. So in behind your older like 99 through 04, 04 and a half, whatever, in behind the dash may be the same, but you might have to go through like a different compartment or something, or take apart more stuff or anything. But this is for you 2005 through 2007 F-250 owners that have HYPERFLASH, who have swapped over to LED turn signals, and your turn signal flashes. You technically need to put like the 6 ohm or something like load resistors on it or whatever, but from where these trucks have a mechanical turn signal flasher relay, it's the hazard light slash turn signal flasher. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a picture of what it looks like right here on the screen before I show you how to exactly to install it. So as you can see, it's literally just a little bitty square shaped turn signal relay. So in order to change that block style relay, it's super quick and super easy. I've seen a bunch of people on the internet how they talk about how like you have to take the dash apart and stuff, but you literally don't have to do anything like that. So on the older ones, maybe that's what they're talking about. You have to take a little bit more apart on the older trucks. But if your dash looks like this, you don't have to have like the upfitter switches or anything like that, just as long as you have this new body style dash. Okay, so this is where you're gonna access your turn signal relay. You're literally just gonna drop this down, and then on the inside, there's some little bitty tabs right here, as you just now seen. So I've got that one popped out. It's a little bit hard to do this with one hand, but you literally just pop both of those out. Like I said, they're just those little tabs. And then back in here, there is a cover, and I'm gonna go ahead and shine my flashlight on that so I can show that to you all a little bit better. Okay, so I've got my phone set up here as a flashlight. Anyway, so there is a little cover right there. It's a little black box cover. And what that is it's covering the turn signal relay. So literally it even says push right on it. So what you want to do is just push in on that and then pull up on it, and that is going to pull this little box. So you're then going to remove that, and all that is the relay cover. It's just a cover that goes over the relay, and then right there is what you're going to need to change. So you literally, if this was the old one, which I've already swapped over to the new one, so you literally just pull that thing out, and this is the new turn signal relay that is made for LEDs and accepts the LED bulb and prevents the hyper flashing. So you would just remove your old one and put your new one back in. So as always, there will be a link in the description box down below where you can order the correct part for this job. 2005 through 2007 F-250 turn signal flasher that accepts the LED turn signal bulbs and prevents the hyper flashing. So anyway, like I said, the link will be in the description box below. You just click that link, order it, and it helps the channel out a ton, and you don't have to look for the part. You can also pick this up at Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone, anything local. Pretty much any newer style updated LED turn signal relay will work, as long as it's the correct like pins and stuff, as long as it's for that vehicle. As long as you buy just like a normal newer brand of turn signal relay, just about all of the basic replacements are accepting LED bulbs now. So pretty much all of the turn signal relays will work for this. So now you just want to take this cover, put the big side in first. So right there it just now clicked, and you are done. So you want to pull out your flashlight and then push this thing back up, squeeze it, and shut it. And now as you can see, we have the LED switchback turn signals. So as a running light they are white, as a turn signal bulb they are orange. And so I will go ahead and turn the truck on here and show you that. So I've got the truck on, and watch the turn signal bulb. This is not slowed down or anything. This does fix it, blah blah blah. So the turn signal is blinking normally. As I was saying, the turn signal blinks orange, and then as a running light, after we flip this off and turn off the turn signal, it goes back to being a bright white. And as always, remember the link will be in the description box below. I also have a video on LED headlights if you're interested in putting LED headlights in your truck. Super budget friendly. They're a little bit over 50 bucks for the headlight bulbs, and I have a full video on showing you those and also going over the LED turn signal bulbs and the interior light bulbs a little bit in depth, swapping over to LED and those as well. So as always, thank you all for watching the video. Click that subscribe button down below for more F250 6.0 content and dirt bike content, how-to videos. We do some color matching videos here on the channel, all kinds of stuff. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you get notified on my next video whenever I post it, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.